Now the shine, the leksha get kasore.
Shamatha.
Samadhi.
Shamatha.
Shamatha say sikhu kovat kri siklo. What the shine ko rari jata? It's a Tibetan word and Sanskrit word. And the exact translation. So she said that goes to Baby Mikbo Kaya, but Degalia, Lani, Dabamado, tell it, Shembe, Mikbo Shanla, Lo Trayati, Shiva. And goes to Baby Mikbo Digala, Lo Lani, Nabachilla, Shne, Korabarshana.
So the term for shamatha in Tibetan is shine, or calm abiding. So calmness here refers to the mind being able to stay on focus and without being distracted anywhere, but just staying focused. And then ne, and this means, or abiding means actually staying on that object continuously.
Now for training about shine, the physical sort of kasura, natandi dos chevashorta.
So physical posture makes a difference also.
Some individual, some exceptional case, otherwise, see, the kasota, da gangba, gangba doshijiru, namnang chu duns,
So the physical posture usually that is recommended when you sit in meditation is called the the physical posture, which has the 7 features of the Vairochana.
Da gangba, lakba, gebasums, suzane, gangba, doji dirungam, dirung cheva.
So your legs or feet have to be in these in the Vajra posture or half lotus posture.
Lakba jamsha.
And then the hand has to be in meditation, in the meditation posture.
Oh, that ne nga nyamli treyo be na tevoni zetani betu susumjik shagiyore.
And then to relate this the posture of your hands, to tantric practice, you actually touch your the tips of your two thumbs, and then with the 2 palms one on the other, 2 hands one on the other, you form a triangle. So at the navel point.
Tevoni zetedu treg chachore.
So when you touch the the tips of the 2 thumbs, then of course there is also the warmth that you feel.
Some connection. About centrally. Then this triangle survey.
Triangle.
This centrally, this triangle.
So the triangle that is formed by having the 2 hands in this way actually symbolizes the Kundalini, inner heat.
Tumusel kasire. Darbe, sita darbe. Centrally. So there's actually part of body, physical part, is the seed of heat, inner heat. So Kundalini, connection are there. It is nothing important. It's simply a physical exercise, and also it's a common non-Buddhist and Buddhist tantra is common practice.
Then you have to hold your body straight.
Then Kamalama gave us Susuchanam Tambeshi. So the Chu Rambolisha. Jessica.
And so you have to hold your lips and your teeth in their natural way. And then you touch the tip of your tongue on the upper palate.
Tichana, things go chibina, any dimber longi colony, Kasobe, the Menkam, Lung Sukshambuchina, and Kakamiata, the Mayala.
So holding your mouth in this natural state actually helps when if in not getting the mouth dried up, which can happen when you actually stay in single-pointed meditation for a long time, because of some heat that is produced from the throat chakra. It can actually cause the mouth to dry up. So in order for your mouth not to get dried up, then you have to leave your lips and teeth in their natural way.
Go make chakwa uksaches, go chimpipa tusumche.
So your head has to be your head has to be slightly bent forward, and then your eyes are actually gazing down. And then the two shoulders have to be actually rested naturally.
Now again, you see different sort of yoga practice. Now for example, the color chakra is tantra, then you see your hand should remain like that. Then I also, you see the color chakra, initial practice of color chakra, then the both eye must look here. Or the Dzogchen practitioner, look just straight. So you see, different sort of kasada
Systems.
Kasada lune chibu menja.
So there are differences of how you actually hold your body in different systems.
Uk sajta, the uk nana nabada cheke, uk manana namda chete.
So if you add how you breathe also in this posture of meditation, then if you add the breathing itself, then you have the 8 postures of Vairocana. If you don't add this, then there are 7 of them.
The ukdelia, that breathing, of course, that also is common, and particularly, and Abhidhammakosha Karika also is mentioned, the meditation on breathing. Now in Burma and Guingaji, that living tradition is still there. Among Tibetan also. Then, according to Tantrayana, is breathing, then we should visualize the chakras as veins, 3 veins. Roma, Yamasada Kashe, Lalana Rasana. Right. Lalana Rasana. And Ume Minkasari. Avaduti. Lalana Rasana, Avaduti. And then chakra here, 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 here. So there also is differences according to differences of tantrics of teaching. You see different. For example, the Kala chakra and Gui Samanza and Hiruka, Hebanzara. You see little differences. And also the stage of dissolution. Also, you see there are some differences there. But these are, as I mentioned before, individual practitioner, the different mental disposition, as well as some sort of the structure of the body, also sometimes differences. So therefore, according that sort of the practitioner's sort of mental disposition and the physical condition, then these different